Hello, how are you? My name is Alex, and I am here today to briefly explain the internal audit. Internal auditing is an independent, objective assurance and consulting activity designed to add value and improve an organization's operations. It helps an organization accomplish its objectives by bringing a systematic, disciplined approach to evaluate and improve the effectiveness of risk management, control, and governance processes.
But, all that, what does it mean? Can you please explain each part of the concept to me? Hello! My name is Sarah, and I am here to accompany you and learn more about the internal audit.
With pleasure, I will break down the concept of internal audit into parts. Internal audit is a function within a company that operates independently, which means other company areas do not influence it. Its objective is to be impartial and fair without favoring any company sector. It is an assurance and consultation activity, since internal audit focuses on two main areas. Assurance: verify that the company's processes and systems function correctly and comply with rules and regulations. Consultation: provide advice and recommendations to improve processes and systems. Now, let's continue with adding value and improving the operations of an organization. The main objective of the internal audit is to help the company be more efficient and effective. Look for ways to improve operations and contribute to the company's success. The internal audit assists the company to achieve its goals and objectives. It does this by identifying problems and offering solutions. The significance of using a systematic and disciplined approach within internal audit is that it follows established procedures and is meticulous in reviewing the processes. Regarding evaluating and improving the effectiveness of risk management, control, and governance processes, internal audit reviews how the company identifies and manages risks that could affect its operations or finances. The internal auditor must ensure that internal controls, such as policies and procedures, are adequate and followed correctly. Internal audit improves government effectiveness by evaluating how company leaders make decisions and oversee company activities. Basically, this is the meaning of the parts that make up the concept of internal audit. I hope it is more straightforward to you now.
Thank you. Now, it is clearer to me.
I hope that the concept of internal audit has become more transparent to you. We await you in our next episode on the Audit Sphere channel, Auditing, with a Twist. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel and official networks, which we will open soon.